Hello everyone. Today we are going to see that how we can make such a beautiful boat as you all can see using tinkercad.com. For making the bottom layer of the boat, we have to choose the box. As you all can see, I have chosen a box. Now I will change its length, width and height according to the rectangular part of the bottom layer. So as you all can see, I am done with it. Now I will make the triangular part of the bottom layer that is just in front of the rectangular part. For that I will choose the roof and tilt it a little bit. For tilting it, I will choose the arrow-like structure as you all can see. Yes. Now I will change the degrees from 0 degree to minus 90 degree. So as you all can see, the required triangular shape is now done. Now I will change its height and drag it so that it fits the rectangular top. Like this I can change the height, and like this we can drag it. As you can see, there is a little part that is coming out of the rectangular part. We have to change that and also change the height. So as you all can see, it's now done. I have dragged the triangular part in front of the rectangular part and also changed the height. Now we have to select both of them. For that, yes. Now they both are selected and made together. Now we will come forward and make the second layer of the boat. Before that, let me change the measurements so that it become easy for me. Like this, you can also change the measurements. Okay, now I will make the second layer. For that, I will choose another box and change its measurement and make the cuboid a little smaller than the previous cuboid. For that, I will choose the height 5 millimeter. I will choose the length according to that. Then I will choose the width according to that. Now I will move it in air. For that I have to select or click onto the triangular part and then I have to drag it onto the first layer. As you all can see, I can move it there also. Yes. Now it's perfect. Yes. As you all can see that the gap is almost the same. Now we will make the third layer of the boat. For that we have to choose a cylinder and adjust its size like this, its height like this, and then drag it into the air For that I have to select the triangular part, that is, and then choose 10 millimeter, because both the layers are of 5 millimeter and 5 millimeter. So the third layer will be on 10 millimeter above the ground surface. Now I will make copies of this, 2 copies, and now I will select all and combine them. So as you all can see, now the boat is ready. I can change its color also. For that I will go to the color options like this. My favorite color is green, so I will choose the green color. Now the boat is complete, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Meet you soon in the next video. Have a nice day.